shelling a little corn this morning. It's a little bit higher moisture than the stuff that was over there in that field, but there's a silo where I feed with the roto feeder. The home farm is about a mile down the road, so it's not that hard, not that far of a haul. You can see it's kind of hilly off in the background. Those are the knobs. But there's about, I think there's around 55 total acres in this whole field. So I don't know if you can see, he's over there chilling. With a 4-row head, it takes a little while, but we're not, we don't have a whole heck of a lot to do, so we got more beans and wheat than anything. The reason for that is because we have a guy that kind of lucked up and come in contact with, and he basically will take every bit of straw that we can raise and bale up. So it's pretty profitable. On a year like this year, we've gotten a lot of rain in the fall, so late beans are doing well. They'll probably do better than early beans. I don't know. We're in the longest stretch of dry weather we've had this year, so that's what the weatherman said anyway. I guess that's good for the corn and just drying it down. And I don't know if you remember a video a while back I did on this field, but I measured, it was still in the milk stage and making kernels, but I just kind of got an estimate and measured how many stalks were in a given amount of feet at 29,000 population, and counted the ears and got an average and come up with about 185 bushel, which that's always wrong. I hope this yields better than that. It's hard to do, but the silage corn yielded better than that, so I hope this does better. And this field, this is kind of a hill right here. There used to be a pond in here. There's a wet spot right there, and we don't plant it. It's in grass. Filled the pond in. Used to be a row of trees here and made this all one big field. Used to be all just a hay field there, but we planted the rows this way, back and forth, to kind of keep it from washing. I think it's working pretty good. And then these other rows, you can see we planted long ways because that's how the field runs. Anyway, yeah, we're just doing a little shelling today, and I'll if we don't break down, I'll do a update video later on, and you can see about how much we got done. But yeah, it's Mondays are always great when you're out shelling corn early in the morning. Anyway, a little update. Thanks for watching.